Hello again. As I told you in this step, this first step, we have to create a workspace. To create this workspace here in the terminal, I have to use this command mk. It means make, dir means the directory, and I have to give it a name. I will use T as turtle bot, I as inside, H as hospital. So yes, and then workspace, TIH workspace, and inside that I need src, and after that I will add this -p. It means that I need this src folder inside TIH workspace. Okay, so whenever I press enter, if I write cd t and then press tab, I will go to TIH workspace underline workspace folder, and if I write ls list in files, I will see this src folder which is existing in this TIH folder. So after that, with this command catkin underline make, I will have an active workspace. Now if I check these commands from here up to here, I will see everything is fine and there is no error. And if I list the folders inside this TIH workspace, I will see there is build, devel, and src, and inside each of these folders I can see that there is some files that for me one of the most important is inside this devel folder. Let's see. Yes. The most important thing is this setup.bash file, because whenever I want to use this workspace, I have to mention that I want to use this folder. How can I mention that? With using this setup.bash, we will see in the next steps. So, and again, if I go to my src folder, I will see there is a cmake list.txt that it is very important, and we will see what the usage of this cmake list in the next video.